jungle. Alright, number 1, get your knife ready. Number 2, swing with fluid motions. Number 4, did I skip 3? Perhaps. Number 4, never touch vines. They may be infected with bugs. Alright, number 6, when you're lost in the jungle, get a tree, like so. Make your mark. Keep going. Don't look back. Never look back in life. If you're thirsty, grab some sugar cane. It's good for the heart, it's good for the soul. When you're in the sun, take a quick shield. A lot of Vietnam vets bombed people.